Okay, we're picking up with the examples in the Chapter 8 notes, so we're now doing example 8, 3a, which is on that second tab. So this problem says using the wage bracket tables, determine the amount of federal income tax an employer should withhold weekly for employees with the following marital status, earnings, and withholding allowances. So when this is referring to the wage bracket tables, it is referring to these tables right here. So we have a table for married people and a table for single people. These tables are in your book, and then I'm also posting these, or I have posted these as a PDF in Brightspace. So if you want, you could download and print these if you don't want to try to find them in your book. I'm not going to do all of these, but we'll do a couple of these together. So the first one, we have somebody who's single, who earns $447.60 per week and has 2 allowances. So if we want to find the amount of tax withheld, we would then go to the single table, and we need to find where that person, where their earnings fall. And so see where it says at least, but not less than. So we're finding we have a range basically, and we want to find the range where our number fits. And so let me zoom in just a little bit more. So in this first example, we have $447.60. So we'll go down here. $447.60 would fall between $440 and $450. So we're right here in this row, and then we have 2 allowances, which would be this column right here. So basically find where those meet, 2 allowances on that row, and we get $22 of tax that would be withheld. And then let's do one married. So we'll do C. So we have $481.15 and 3 allowance. I should say allowances. So 3 allowances. So we'll go back to our tables. We need to make sure that we are using the married table. And so we have $481.15. So that falls between the $475 and $485. So there's our row. And we have 3 allowances. So this row, 3 allowances, and here we go. And we get income tax withheld of $2. So there's our answer. And I'm just going to give you the answers for these other 3, and then you could do these on your own if you want to just kind of check yourself. But that's basically what we're doing, is we're just finding the correct table, married or single, and then finding where the earnings and the allowances meet and getting the amount of tax that is withheld.